Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Dehumidifier Pump Kit is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for anyone serious about maintaining optimal humidity levels in their home or office, especially when dealing with dehumidifiers that lack built-in drainage or are placed in inconvenient locations far from a suitable drain. This device is designed to automatically remove the collected water, preventing overflow and the need for manual emptying, thereby ensuring your dehumidifier operates continuously and efficiently without your constant intervention, making it a crucial component for hassle-free moisture control. Number 5. Little Giant VCMA 20 ULS Automatic Condensate Pump. Introducing the Little Giant VCMA 20 ULS, an automatic condensate removal pump. It's designed to efficiently remove water produced by your HVAC systems, furnaces, and dehumidifiers. This pump features a powerful, fan-cooled 130 HP motor that is thermally protected. It's built for reliable, high-performance operation and is CSA certified. Constructed with a durable ABS tank and motor cover, along with a stainless steel motor shaft, this unit is built to last. It can handle water temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes a built-in overflow detection switch for added safety. This switch can be configured to shut down your appliance or trigger an alarm. Its vertical switch design minimizes its footprint, making it ideal for tight spaces. It efficiently pumps 80 GPH at a 1-foot lift. With a 6-foot cord and multiple inlet drain holes, installation is straightforward. Basic wiring knowledge is all that's needed to get it up and running. What we like. This pump offers robust overflow detection for added safety. Its high-performance motor ensures efficient operation, and the durable ABS tank guarantees longevity. If you need a reliable and long-lasting solution for condensate removal in HVAC or refrigeration systems, this is a solid choice. What people say. The pump is quiet and efficient, effectively removing moisture from the air. Easy to install and set up, it integrates seamlessly with my dehumidifier. The automatic shut-off feature provides peace of mind, preventing overflow. Number 4. Little Giant VCMA 15 ULST Automatic Condensate Pump. Introducing the Little Giant VCMA 15 ULST, the automatic condensate removal pump designed for your HVAC, refrigeration, and dehumidifier systems. It efficiently removes condensate produced by your appliances. This pump features a powerful, fan-cooled motor that is thermally protected and CSA certified. It's built for reliable, high-performance operation. Constructed with a durable ABS tank, motor cover, and volute, along with a stainless steel motor shaft. It's built to last and can handle water temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes equipped with an overflow detection switch for added safety. This switch can be configured to shut down your appliance or trigger an alarm. This package includes the pump and 20 feet of vinyl tubing, making installation straightforward. It's designed for efficient condensate removal with a 65 GPH capacity. Its vertical type switch design minimizes its footprint, making it ideal for tight spaces. It operates automatically, ensuring your systems run smoothly. What we like. This model comes with essential vinyl tubing for immediate setup and features a compact design. The integrated overflow detection adds a layer of protection. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one condensate pump solution that's easy to install and includes necessary accessories, this one is ideal for you. What people say. The pump is very quiet and efficient, it works great with my dehumidifier. Easy to install and set up, the automatic shut-off feature is a great addition. The pump is compact and doesn't take up much space, which is perfect for my small laundry room. Number 3. ALORAIR Sentinel HD 55S Crawl Space Dehumidifier. This unit is designed to tackle tough humidity problems, removing up to 120 pints of moisture daily. It's perfect for spaces up to 1,300 square feet, ensuring a dry environment. Forget about emptying tanks. This dehumidifier automatically drains collected water, making operation incredibly convenient. Its filter also protects internal parts for lasting performance. Built specifically for crawl spaces and basements, it features low-temperature operation and auto-defrost. This ensures reliable humidity control even in tough conditions. Our advanced auto-defrost system prevents ice buildup in cold temperatures. It intelligently pauses and resumes operation to maintain efficiency and prolong its lifespan. Safety is paramount. This dehumidifier is CETL listed and comes with a 6-year limited warranty, including 2 years of full coverage and dedicated customer support. What we like. This unit boasts impressive moisture removal capabilities and offers continuous drainage for hassle-free operation. It's specifically engineered for challenging environments like crawl spaces. If you have a large basement or crawl space with persistent high humidity issues and want a set-it-and-forget-it solution, this is the one to consider. What people say. The pump is quiet and efficient, effectively removing moisture from the air. Easy to install and set up, it works seamlessly with my dehumidifier. The automatic shut-off feature provides peace of mind, preventing overflow. Number 2. Midea Cube 35 Pint Dehumidifier. Introducing the Midea Cube 35 Pint Dehumidifier, designed to efficiently remove moisture from your home. It's perfect for spaces up to 3,500 square feet, ensuring a comfortable environment. Enjoy longer operation times with its larger capacity tank. This means you can spend more time relaxing and less time worrying about emptying the water bucket. Choose the drainage method that suits you best. You can use the large bucket or opt for continuous drainage with the included hose for ultimate convenience. Stay in control with Wi-Fi-enabled smart features. Manage humidity levels from your smartphone or use voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Experience unparalleled flexibility with its unique extendable design. It can be nested for easy storage or extended to its full capacity when needed. Benefit from intelligent features like auto restart and auto defrost. These ensure uninterrupted operation and protect the unit from damage. Maintain excellent air quality with the washable filter, saving you money on replacements. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Experience smart control from anywhere with its Wi-Fi connectivity and enjoy extended operation thanks to its larger water tank. The unique lift and twist design offers incredible flexibility for storage and use. If you value convenience, smart home integration, and a unit that adapts to your needs and space, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This pump is a lifesaver for my dehumidifier. It pumps the water out automatically and I don't have to worry about emptying the tank anymore. The pump is very quiet and efficient, it barely makes any noise and it drains the water quickly. The kit was easy to install and came with all the necessary parts. It works perfectly with my dehumidifier. Number 1. Frigidaire 50 Pint Smart Dehumidifier. Take control of your home's humidity from the palm of your hand. With our smart app, you can adjust settings remotely for ultimate comfort. Going hands-free is easy. Simply use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to turn it on or off, and adjust settings with just your voice. Achieve your ideal environment with custom humidity control. Set the perfect moisture level to maximize your comfort. Enjoy fresher air with the built-in ionizer. It works to reduce airborne particles, making your space more comfortable. Keep it running efficiently with the easy-to-clean washable filter. Simply remove and rinse to capture dust and maintain optimal performance. Prevent accidental changes with the child lock feature. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a timer and app control for effortless operation. What we like. Control your environment remotely with Wi-Fi connectivity and enjoy hands-free operation with voice assistant compatibility. It also features a clean air ionizer for improved air quality. If you're looking for a smart, voice-controlled dehumidifier that also helps purify your air, this unit offers a comprehensive solution for your home. What people say. The pump is quiet and efficient, effectively removing moisture from the air. Easy to install and set up, it integrates seamlessly with my dehumidifier. The automatic shut-off feature provides peace of mind, preventing overflow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.